Here are some of the medical conditions that can cause dogs to breathe fast. Heat stroke. Dogs can't sweat like humans, so they pant to cool down. If your dog is panting heavily and its gums are bright red, it could be suffering from heat stroke. Heart disease. Heart disease can cause dogs to breathe fast, especially after exercise. Lung disease. Lung disease can also cause dogs to breathe fast. Infections. Infections of the respiratory tract, such as kennel cough, can also cause dogs to breathe fast. Anxiety. Dogs can also breathe fast when they're anxious or stressed. If you're concerned about your dog's breathing, it's always best to take them to the vet to rule out any medical problems. Get the best deals from Amazon and ClickBank now in the first comment.